What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well. We're doing another wig today. Super excited about this one because this is like a shake and go. You just put it on and go. It's supposed to be like easy, low maintenance. It's a full wig, so you don't have to worry about leave out, closure, none of that. Making sure your lace is laying flat. None of that. One thing I love about HerGivenHair is the fact that they make it an experience. Like, when I say an experience, I love being able to like tear open the box. I don't know, I just feel like you pay for what you get, and I don't know, when I get packages from them, it just screams quality. But the inside construction of this wig looks like this. You have clips in the front, 2 to be specific, and then you have, this is like, I like this material. I like this material. It looks like this and it's really soft. And then they have the drawstring in the back so you can tighten it up if you need to. You have your adjustable clips right here on the side that you can put into the hole, and you also have a clip in the back as well. So constructed very nicely. It does have like a bang in the front, and it does have this lace right here in the middle, which gives it that realistic feel, scalp like look. Just in case, I'm a short girl, so majority of the places I go, people are taller than me, so when they looking down at my hair, they're seeing this that looks like scalp. So I like that they put that in on this wig. So let's go ahead and try her on. I've been trying to try different wigs lately, and this is something that I wouldn't necessarily like go for, but we're gonna try it, see if we like it. This is definitely a different look for me, but I'm not mad at it. Absolutely not mad at it. I didn't put the clips in, and I do feel the wig slipping back, so let's put the clips in. This looks like I just blew my hair out. I just got my bangs cut. This is my hair. Like, this is my hair. You're not telling me no different. Like, this is my hair. I got thick, full hair. This is what this wig is giving. I'm gonna use my blow dryer to go in and just straighten out the wig just a little bit, and then we're gonna go in with flat irons and straighten it out a little bit, maybe put some curls in it, and maybe like cut the bang just a little bit. We're gonna customize this wig to my liking, so let's get into it.
I usually all avoid all the back streets. I usually all avoid all the bad things. I can't just come around because you happy, cause I didn't do you good when you had me. I hope you still got time and you ain't past me. I hope you've been forgiving all the sad things. Baby, I'm so falling for you, you should grab me. So say the word and baby, you can have me. I just think that we should double up, double up, double up. Tell me, girl, what you running from, running from, running from. Don't you think that we should double up, double up, double up?
I straightened this wig out and it looks so nice. I did cut my bang just a little bit and I bumped it under. So this is like one style that you can rock. And of course you can like do it behind your ears. I cut a little bit of the hair off because, you know, like once you cut it, it's gone. So it's no more getting the hair back. So I just wanted to cut a small amount first. So I may go in and like snip it just a little bit more. But I love this. I love a style when you can take it and do multiple looks with it. So I'm gonna take 2 pieces like this, go to the back, and I'm gonna take one of these like claw clips and just put it right here. And I think that is so cute. This is definitely like giving mom vibes right here. And we could just throw the other hair to the back. Like, what? Get it all off me. Oh, this is so cute.
Double up, double up, double up. Tell me, girl, what you running from, running from, running from.
We should double back, double back, double back, hey. We should double back, double
So as you can see, I just put some curls in the end at the bottom, and now I'm just gonna shake them loose, and that looks so good. Oh my goodness, this is giving me like 90s vibes or something. And I will say this hair is super thick, girl. It's thick, okay? But oh my goodness, this looks like my hair, just healthy and long and thick. I definitely love it with like the curls in it. So like I said, this wig is full. So if it begins to be a bit too much for you and you want to put some of it up, you can definitely like achieve like a little cute style like this. Not gonna lie, this wig did have me questioning like, how is this gonna turn out? But I'm so glad that I stuck with it. So stick with the process, okay? Do not get intimidated by when you first get a wig and you put it on and you're like, what do I do? What is this? Take your time, customize it, cut, curl, just play around with it. And I'm pretty sure, you know, once you get into the groove of like curling the hair and cutting little pieces and doing all the things, you'll bring the look together, okay? So I love how it turned out. I love the fact that this can be a wig that I can just throw on. Cause girl, that's what I need. I don't want to have to tack down lace. I don't want to have to make sure my wig ain't slipping back or my lace is sticking up. Like no glue, no nothing. Just throw her on, spruce her up, and you're ready to go. So this unit is from HerGivenHair. I will have everything linked down below in the description box. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this video useful, you enjoyed it, definitely give me a big old thumbs up, and I will see you guys later. Bye.